Hi everyone, my name is Jane and welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special unboxing and I would say that this is one of my best unboxing and impression videos so far because I will be unboxing and giving you my impression about BTS Perfume collection. And what is really special about this collection is that all the BTS members, they all represent one scent. Jungkook, Jin, V, J-Hope, RM, Suga, and Jimin, they all represent one scent from this collection of scents. And I am gonna start with the first one, and this is gonna be the musk. And the musk scent is represented by V. You open it like this because this is actually magnetic, or you can just pull this out. Okay, so there is like a ribbon here. Okay, so you pull this out and up. Okay, and this is what's gonna be inside. Okay. There are some BTS photos here. I'm gonna show them to you in a bit. And also like that, a box of the musk perfume, Atelier the Subtils musk perfume. So before I start with the unboxing of this perfume, I just would like to quickly show you what's in here, what is inside these photos. Here's the group photo of the BTS right here, and that's all 7 of them. Okay, so yes, this is V, and the next 2 photos, there you go, J-Hope, and the next 2 photos are M. Okay, followed by Suga, and then Jin. Okay, Jin, Jungkook. There you go, Jimin. Okay, so 2 photos of Jimin as well. So a total of 15 photos are all included in this box. And I'm gonna start with the unboxing and also my first impression of the first scent, which is the musk. There you go. Okay, so looks like this. So again, the packaging is also quite simple, and it just has this printed label here. Okay, it's a sticker label, 50 ml, and this is made in France. This is a sweet musk scent, and it is not so strong. This is definitely a great scent for those who are in their 20s or 30s, boys as well as girls. This is a unisex scent. Basically, this is how it looks like. Again, a very simple packaging, and it looks like this on the outside. So the citrus scent is represented by J-Hope, and the bottle is the same, like that. So this is a fresher scent, of course. It smells a little bit like lemon. So yeah, it is citrusy, it's a fresh, and definitely unisex as well. Good for those who I think like outdoor activities and are usually outside. So I really like this scent, and I think this is gonna be one of my favorites among the other scents here. I'm not sure exactly what boys means, so probably boys or like young, men. The boys, or in French like de bois. Am I right? It means boys in English. Yes, I think even the color here looks pretty manly. Okay, there's a hint of like yellow tone, and yeah, this is definitely boyish. It's a little bit strong for me, but mainly for boys or guys, I guess. But if you're a girl who likes bold or strong scent, you might like this for yourself. But personally, I think this might not be the scent for me. This is a little bit too boyish or manly. The boys is represented by RM. If you want to know how RM smells like, you might want to check out this perfume. Okay, and the next one is Eau de Ocean. Okay, I like the packaging or the box. It's purple. The scent is represented by Jungkook, and the ocean, it's kind of cool, light, and fresh. Something that's good for those who don't want a strong and overpowering scent. So, and it also has a really nice die down scent. So, if you are somebody who doesn't like something too strong, too bold, or you just like a whiff of fragrance that is not too overpowering, this one is for you. Okay, I honestly like this very much. And this one is the Cotton. And the Cotton is represented by gin. There's some sweetness in here that's very familiar. I am not sure if it's blackcurrant, like my favorite scents, because this is just an impression video. Like I said, I don't know the specific notes that are in here. I'm probably gonna need to make a separate individual review, or at least like 2 or 3 scents in-depth review together. There are 7 of them, so I don't want to like overpower myself with all the scents all together. That's why I sprayed this beforehand, because I don't want it to be like too strong when I'm doing this. But so far, this is really sweet and floral, and I think this is mainly gonna be for girls. Boys, yeah, can also wear this, but I think mainly for girls. Teenage girls, even young girls can also use this. So if you are, I think, into sweet and floral scents, this is gonna be for you. I like it. Like this a lot too. Okay, we have 2 left, and next is the Vert. Okay, so light blue-green packaging, but the bottle is of course the same. It's just that it has a much darker shade of, I think, yellow tone inside. And Vert is represented by Suga. Suga likes the Jo Malone Blackberry and Bay cologne. I think there's something very familiar with this scent. Like somewhere in between musky, sweet, and fresh. It's like an all-in-one scent in here. This also smells pretty safe, so both boys and girls can definitely use this scent. But for me, this is a little bit too mysterious. A bit too mysterious for me, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this one. Among all the other scents, but yeah, it's pretty safe for both boys and girls. Okay, and let's move on to the last one, and this is the powder, I think. And Eau de Powder is represented by Jimin. Among all the other scents, this is the one that has, I think, the darkest color inside. And yes, obviously powdery, sweet and powdery. Okay, and also a very safe scent. I think this is safe to use for many occasions. You can wear this at work. I mean, if you're a student, you can probably wear this at school as well. Outdoors, for both boys and girls. And I must say though that I want my powdery scent to be more musky and sweet, but this scent kind of lacks that. But definitely good for both boys and girls as well. So for me, because I usually prefer something light and airy and just fresh, I would say that my favorite is this one. Eau de Ocean. Ocean is Jungkook's scent. Again, because it is just light and fresh and kind of airy and something that is not very overpowering. And my number 2 is Cotton. Okay, so Eau de Coton, and this is represented by Jin, just light and sweet floral, and there is something in here that's very familiar to me. I think that might be black currant, kind of fresh and sweet at the same time. The citrus. Okay, so citrus is represented by J-Hope. I like this especially because, you know, I mostly stay outside. I walk a lot, I ride my bicycle, so I want something that's going to give off some kind of fresh and light vibe, freshness and bitterness at the same time. I'm gonna use it. It's gonna be followed by, I would say, the musk. I am just not sure if this might give me headache, just like all the other musk scents that I've tried before. But so far, at least first impression, this smells really good. Du Bois. This is RM's scent. And the Vert by Suga. Okay, let me put them down. And unfortunately, my least favorite among all these 7 scents is the powder. Okay, so the powder is represented by Jimin. Again, it's just my first impression. Because this is sweet and powdery, but for me, it kind of lacks the sweetness that I expect from a powdery scent. Although it's a girly scent as well, but I feel like it smells more like a boy than a girl to me. But of course, it's BTS, okay? So that's probably why it smells like that to me, or it seems like that to me. But then again, I'm a girl, I'm a lady, so maybe that's why this does not strike to me as a girl's perfume or something that I would like. But it's definitely a great scent too, and safe for both boys and girls. But anyway, those are for the scents. And when I got the 6 other bottles, they actually came with these autographed photos of the BTS members. So there are 7 photos here. Okay, so this one is J-Hope. Okay, they're all in white. It's pretty simple. This is J-Hope, and this one's RM. Okay, next one is Suga. And we have Jin over here. This is Jimin, Jungkook, V. Okay, and of course we have RM, again J-Hope. So at the back, you can see the signature or autograph of all the BTS members right at the back of their photos. So for J-Hope, for example, this is J-Hope, and that's his signature at the back. So there you go, ladies and guys. For now, it's just gonna be an impression video. I am going to make a more in-depth review of these individual scents, as well as the notes and the dye down, for example. So I hope that you watch out for that. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to support my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!